Hello everyone. Now I'm with Nitecore new flashlight, the EDC33. Okay, this one. This one is a sample that Nitecore sent me for making a review. I don't even have the box or even the manual. I have to print out the manual here. Okay, this one uses new LED from Nitecore, the UHi20 Max. Okay, it also comes with proximity sensor, OP reflector. Okay, here. It has tail cap switch here. Okay, the switch the way it works, okay, you can do the half press and the full press. Okay, seems like the EDC27 there are two stage. Okay, when you just lightly press, it will show oh sorry, this one is locked. Okay, here when you lightly press, it will show the battery status. Okay, when you do the full press, it will turn on the flashlight, something like that. Okay. For the design, I like the way to charge the battery here. USB-C. Okay. You have to twist this part. Okay. Very good. Okay. And to lock the flashlight here, this button, just slide. Okay. Very good. This one full lock. Okay. You can't even turn on any mode. Okay. It also have half lock function that you can still use LUMIN SHIELD Mode and the search mode. Okay, this is very good. Okay, let's see the manual. Okay, the lumens data and runtime. For LUMIN SHIELD, okay, 4000 lumens. LUMIN SHIELD, all the LED works. Okay, the spotlight and the floodlight LED works. 4000 lumens. No runtime data, but actually it's about 20 seconds. This also depends on the temperature of the flashlight as well. Okay, for the search mode, okay, 1700 lumens. Only the spotlight work. For the high mode, 1200 lumens. This mode, the spotlight and the flood LED, okay, work together. Combination of throw and flood. For medium, low and ultra low, just only the spotlight LED that works. Okay, here. As I said, LUMIN SHIELD, okay, it lasts about 20 seconds. The same as the searchlight. The searchlight may be about 20 to 25 seconds. And for the high mode, it starts to step down after about 30 seconds, something like that. Okay, it step down just a little. Okay, here. Okay, let's see how this flashlight works. Okay, I really like it. Okay. If you do the here, when you do the light press, okay, here, it will show the battery status. Okay, when you do the full press, okay, it will turn on the flashlight. After it is on, okay, lightly press to change the mode. Ultra low, low, medium, high, something like that. Okay. To access search and LUMIN SHIELD, okay, from on, okay, you have to for the search, okay, from on or off, just press and hold. Okay, here, this is the search mode. Okay, when you release, it will go back to the last mode, the last brightness that you use. Okay, to access LUMIN SHIELD, okay, you have to make full press. The switch seems to have two stages. Okay, make full press here. Okay, half press, search, full press, LUMIN SHIELD, something like that. Okay, half press, search, full press, LUMIN SHIELD, like this. Okay, I really love the way it works. Okay, very interesting. Let me turn off. Okay, oh sorry, full press to turn off, something like that. Okay. Okay, let's walk around to see some beam shots. Okay, here this is the lowest mode. Okay, ultra low. It's not good for walking around. It's quite low. Okay, let's go to low. Here is low. Okay, I can see the basketball goal at the other side. Okay, quite good throw. Just ultra low and low mode. Okay, just and medium. Just only the spotlight that works. Okay. Okay, let's go to medium. Here, this is medium. Okay, wow. Medium here. That's the other side of the basketball goal. Okay. Okay, let's see high mode. Here, high mode is very bright. You see that? Both throw and flood. Okay, all the LEDs work. Okay. Combination of throw and flood. As I said, this mode it gradually step down after about 30 seconds. Okay, it step down just a little. Okay, okay, and if I click again here, it will go to ultra low. Okay, if you want to access searchlight, okay, and lumin shield, you have to press and hold the switch. Okay, even it is on or off. Okay, okay, let me show you the searchlight. Okay, press and hold here. This one 1700 lumens for the searchlight, and it lasts about 20 seconds. Okay, let's see. Okay, I want to show you when it step down. Here, it stepped down already. Okay, when it stepped down, this level is still brighter than medium. Okay, this is searchlight step down already. Okay, about 20 seconds or less than 20 seconds. That depends on the heat at the head. Okay, of the flashlight. Okay, when I release the button, okay, if you go back to my last brightness, okay, here, that is low. Okay, low, medium, sorry, ultra low, low, medium. Okay, my mode is medium. Okay, I will access lumin shield for you. Okay, to access the lumin shield, you have to make full press, half press, searchlight. Okay, half press, searchlight, and then you make full press, searchlight, full press, lumin shield. Okay, lumin shield runtime is about 20 seconds, but it will be shorter if it has a lot of heat at the head. Okay, let's see. This is maximum output here. Okay, what I want to show you is that my last mode, okay, is about medium. Okay, and when I turn on lumin shield, and when it is very hot, okay, it suddenly step down to the lowest mode. I think that's maybe to prevent the heat. Okay, here is medium. Okay, I'll show you again. Medium, I make full press. Okay, lumin shield 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here, you see that? Okay, it suddenly stepped down to the outer low. Okay, actually my last mode is about medium. Okay, this is how it behaves. Okay, when you use lumin shield. Okay, lumin shield. Okay, okay, let's talk about things for improvement. In my opinion, this flashlight it needs strobe. Okay, it needs strobe, and for the battery, okay, for the battery, I think it should be battery replaceable. It would be great if if the user can replace the battery. Okay, the charging time is good. I think it's quite fast. Okay, for the design of the switch, I think it's good. Okay, it also has the indicator light. This is good. Okay, USB-C here. The design here is very good. Okay, I like it. And the way to lock the flashlight is good. Okay, you can do full lockout and half lockout. Okay. Okay, very good. But for the heat, okay, I think it's very hot. But it is very hot just at the head, okay, not at the body here. Okay, I can still hold the flashlight. I think it deals with heat quite well. Okay, I can still hold the flashlight without any problem. Just the head that is hot. Okay. For the size, it is good. For the tint, okay, for the tint, it is good. Okay, it is not as green as the UHi20. Okay. Overall, I love it. And Nitecore should state the runtime of the searchlight and the lumin shield, okay, in the manual. Okay, it actually it lasts about 20 seconds, something like that. Okay, the runtime of lumin shield and the searchlight will be shorter if the flashlight is hot. Okay, something like that. Okay, this is Nitecore EDC33. Okay, and thank you Nitecore to send me this sample for making a review. Okay, I hope you will enjoy my review. Thanks for watching.